salesman for 43 years, and I've been working here for 2 years.
Okay. It's not a bad place.
Not actually working. This gets me off the couch.
So this is the dry Riesling, one of Bill's favorite, and it is a new vintage.
And the dry Riesling to me has the best balance between acidity and residual sugar.
Choose the Chardonnay, the one that won the SF Monaco Wine Competition Gold Medal.
That's a cooler growing area, so Pinot Noir, Chardonnay, Riesling do very well in that area.
So what can you tell me about the Chardonnay?
This Chardonnay has gone through what they call malolactic fermentation. It changes the acid in the wine from malic acid, which is like in lemons, to lactic acid, which is like in cheese and milk. So that's why it's better.
I picked the Chardonnay, but this time it was grown in Napa Valley. So the previous wine we had is from Los Carneros. So according to Bill, the Chardonnay is less oaky, but still you have that little bitterness to it and a little sweet, the hint of vanilla. So we'll try it. And by the way, this Chardonnay won the gold medal, the SF wine competition. So we'll see if it's deserving for the gold medal. They all taste good. They all taste good to me. So far, we tried the dry Riesling, the Chardonnay from Los Carneros, and the Chardonnay from Napa Valley. So again, I just want to remind you, the goal of this wine tasting is for us to find the wine, the best wine that we can purchase and eat our awesome food. Syrah?
Syrah. World's best wine to have with lamb. Whenever I have lamb, that's what I have, Syrah. Little spiciness on the tongue.
Okay, so now you guys will be a part of my wine tasting, and this is the Napa Valley Sugar.
In the United States, over 125 years. Some of this wine in this bottle is over 100 years old.
Wow. California Madeira. Well, I can definitely taste the brandy in here. I think we are done with our wine tasting, and you guys are curious. We picked the dry Riesling. Good. Now it's time for us to head out and order our food. We really enjoyed all those knowledgeable facts about all the V Sattui wines, and really enjoyed all this great wine.
Thank you for visiting Sattui Wine.
Okay, thank you. Until next time. Bye now.
Stay out of trouble.
Here at V Sattui, and we're gonna get some mozzarella, roasted peppers, some truffle oil, and of course roasted garlic. Here's the food.
So here we have the tri-tip with potato salad and bacon bits. We have two tri-tips, one for me and one for my mom. We have the grilled chicken with chips on the side, my favorite Pacific prawns, and the amazing mozzarella bar with all this good stuff, including roasted garlic and truffle oil. Alright, so we are going to open the wine and start eating in this beautiful picnic area only at V Sattui.
great time, right, big guy?
So what'd you guys do? Did you get some barbecue?
Well, he drank and I ate.
Oh,
Right, Logan? You drank and I ate?
did some wine tasting
Huh?
and some barbecue and some playtime
Yeah. We had a
and gelato. Okay, bye.
All right, so this is the end of our visit to V Sattui Winery in Helena, Napa, California. So what we did today is we had some barbecue, we ordered the prawns and the tri-tip, and we recommend the mozzarella bar. We also did some amazing wine tasting, and we ended up with a dry Riesling. Also, our little boy had a great time hanging out with grandmas.
Where's Grandma?
Where's Grandma? Right there, taking the video. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Playing around, running around. And it's just a great way to spend your weekend on this beautiful Saturday. Yay!
Okay, let's go.
It's like it's too hot.
You can feel the AC. It is 100 degrees here today.
100 degrees.
What's that? And there's Grandma, and there's Logan,
I got a chance.
other Grandma.
Yeah.